In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add audio on card.co. Adding audio is a great way to bring your landing page to life, whether you're sharing a podcast clip, a music teaser, or spoken instructions for visitors. Start in the card editor with your page open, click the plus icon labeled Add Element and choose Audio. This inserts an audio block and opens its settings panel. Unlike images, you don't upload a file here. The audio element is powered by a link to your audio. In the URL field, paste a supported audio link. Card supports 3 common sources. First, SoundCloud. Open the exact track you want or a set, which is SoundCloud's term for a playlist. Make sure the content is public. Then copy the link from your browser or from the share option. Both work. Second, Bandcamp. Navigate to the specific track page if you want a single song, or the album page if you want multiple tracks in one player, and copy that page's link. Third, a direct MP3 hosted on Google Drive. Upload your MP3 to Drive, set the files sharing to anyone with the link, and copy the shareable link. That visibility setting is essential. Private files won't load in an embed. As soon as you paste the link into the audio element, Card generates the player automatically in the editor. With SoundCloud or Bandcamp, you'll see the familiar branded player, complete with artwork and controls. With a Google Drive MP3, you'll see a clean, minimal player that focuses on play, pause, and scrub controls. You can immediately click play to confirm the audio loads and the timeline moves as expected. If the player doesn't appear, a few quick checks usually solve it. Verify that the link points directly to a track, set, or album, not a profile or storefront. For Google Drive, confirm the file type is MP3 and that the permission reads anyone with the link can view. Recopying the link from Drive's Get Link option can fix issues with older or shortened URLs. Also note that private or region-restricted content on SoundCloud or Bandcamp may fail to embed. That's all there is to it. Add the audio element, paste a supported SoundCloud track or set, a Bandcamp track or album, or a Google Drive MP3 link, and Card does the rest by dropping in the right player automatically. Your visitors can listen right on the page, keeping them engaged without sending them elsewhere.